Want to make money while you sleep? Vending machines are one of the simplest passive incomes side hustles in 2025. I'm David, an Army veteran turned entrepreneur, and I want to break down how you can start with as little as $24. By the end of this video, you'll know why most people fail and how the vending machine blueprint saves you time, money, mistakes. Why vending works. People always buy snacks, drinks, essentials. Buying machines without a plan is a mistake. Wrong locations is a mistake. What the blueprint covers, how to find profitable locations, what to stock so your machine doesn't sit empty, how to scale from one machine to many. When I retired from the Army, I realized my pension wasn't enough. I needed a side hustle that created real cash flow. Vending machines gave me that leverage. Imagine being at your kid's ball game or even on vacation and your machines are making you money. That's freedom. And that's why I believe so much in this blueprint. It's not just a hustle, it's a lifestyle shift. If you're ready to stop guessing and start vending, drop vending in the comments or click the link in the description to grab that vending machine blueprint today.